you can do to deal aggressively with sin. Number one, increase your love for the Lord Jesus Christ. Through prayer, through devotion, through reading, through worship. Increase your love for the Lord Jesus Christ. The more you love him, the harder it becomes to sin against him, because you don't want to keep hurting someone that you love. So increase your love for him. And then secondly, pray and ask God to give you a hatred in your heart for sin. The more you pray, the more you ask God, let me hate what you hate. I started doing this 5 years ago, praying, asking God, God, give me a hatred in my heart for sin. And the more you start to hate sin, you start to recognize it in you, recognize it in the world, recognize it in church, and then you don't want to treat it like a pet. When you find yourself in sin, when you find yourself, you start crying, you weep, you say, this is nasty. You don't want it in you.